Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pin tabs in Zen Browser. The first thing I want you to do is open up your Zen Browser and then just open up a new tab and search for anything you want to go ahead and pin. So let's say I want to pin Instagram. So I'll go ahead and search that up right here with Google, and then I'll open up Instagram. And once you have your website opened up, all you need to do is come here, the left hand panel, you'll see your tab. I want you to just right click on it. And then here you'll see Pin Tab. I want you to click on Pin Tab. And then here you'll find it on your left-hand side. It should be pinned. And if you want, you can go a step further and bring it up here as an icon. So if I drag it here at the top, as you can see, it allows me to bring it up here. And you can rearrange it anywhere you want as well. So as you can see, it is now pinned. So that is how to go ahead and pin tabs in Zen Browser. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.